ChatGPT looks like a simple AI, but here are 10 shocking facts about ChatGPT that will blow your mind. Fact 1. ChatGPT learned from trillions of words, more than any human could read in 100 lifetimes. Its training data is so huge, it can understand nearly any topic instantly. Fact 2. ChatGPT doesn't search the internet. It predicts the next best word using probability, like a supercharged brain. This is why it can talk like a human. Fact 3. ChatGPT can write code, poetry, stories, emails, all in seconds, something humans take hours to do. Some companies now replace entire teams with AI tools like ChatGPT. Fact 4. ChatGPT can understand over 100 languages without being taught each one manually. It even translates slang, accents, and mixed language conversation. Fact 5. ChatGPT can simulate multiple personalities: teacher, doctor, comedian, coder, and it can switch instantly based on your command. Fact 6. ChatGPT can solve complex math and logic that many humans struggle with. It uses powerful reasoning models, not simple calculators. Fact 7. ChatGPT remembers context in long conversations, almost like it has a short-term memory. This makes it feel more human than any AI before it. Fact 8. ChatGPT can even help create other ICE programs, websites, and apps. Yes, it can literally build digital tools. Fact 9. OpenAI constantly updates ChatGPT. Every update makes it more powerful, sometimes overnight. Users often see sudden improvements without realizing the scale behind them. Fact 10. ChatGPT learns from patterns, not personal data. It doesn't remember individuals, only language structure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Fact Nova TV for more tech and AI secrets.